Hello once again everybody and welcome back to Knox Asian Recipes. Today, Tofu Rad Na. So for this what you need is sweet pepper, chili pepper, mushroom sauce and garlic, the tofu of course, and some salt. And first she's going to cut up the tofu into big pieces. This is fresh tofu made every day here in Malaysia. And radna just refers to any dish that you can make using a kind of a topping. So today the topping is really sweet pepper sauce, a little bit spicy. Generally it'll be thickened up with some starch. First thing, she's going to pre-cook her tofu pieces in some water. And this is just to pre-cook it a little bit for a few minutes, and it sort of gets rid of the juice that the tofu came with when she bought it. Just splash some boiling water on top of it, just a few minutes, and it's ready to go. And now she's ready to make her topping sauce, so a little bit of vegetable oil, and then she's going to cook the garlic until it's a little tender and fragrant. And then she's going to add her sweet pepper and her chili pepper. You can see the sweet pepper, she's using two different colors today, an orange and a red. And also the chili pepper, she's using some green and some red. And next she's ready to flavor it a little bit with some salt and then the mushroom sauce. And she's going to mix it and cook all of that together. So once the sweet pepper is tender, she's going to add some water with her cassava starch dissolved in there. You can use cornstarch. Generally, Rad Na has this kind of a starchy sauce, a thicker sauce. And now it's ready to go, ready to serve on top of the tofu, which was pre-cooked previously. This is really a simple, easy, delicious dish. And you can serve this with white rice or eat it just as it is. And she's topping it off with a little bit of cilantro. And boy, this is really nice. We hope that you'll try this one at home. It's really a great way to eat tofu. Pretty healthy, delicious, quick. And thank you so much for watching the video today. Bon appetit!